Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here. As you can see in my hand, pretty much what it is a snowboarding glove or skiing glove. Pretty much you guys can use this in the snow or anything that's really cold in the winter season. I've been searching for quite some time now to see if I can find like the perfect glove for affordable price for you guys, because I've been using the one from last time. You guys remember I showed you guys the one that's by a different brand that's not even a snowboarding glove, it's like a regular glove, and that one you guys cannot actually use it for snowboarding, or I mean you guys can, but it actually is not really waterproof, water resistant, and doesn't work as well in the snow because it actually ripped and it actually did not absorb any of the water, which really sucked. But this time I found a different product that's by the brand called Outlast, and this is the product called Head gloves, and it actually worked really well. I was actually able to test this out already to feel how it actually feels, and you guys can feel a huge difference compared to the one that I tested from last time. But first thing first, let me actually show you guys what is on this glove first. So both sides are pretty much the same thing, so let me actually show you guys one side. So when you guys look on this side right here, you guys can see that there's actually a strap right here to make it tighter for the wrist part, and then the interior is actually really nice because actually it's really warm, and the material inside is actually like a fiber or like very soft material to keep your hand really warm inside. You got this small little compartment, so I actually put it together. So what I mean by together is like this little clip that you guys can just clip on both ends. So let me show you guys what I mean. So you guys can clip it and actually hold it together, so you guys won't lose a pair if you guys are searching for another one or searching for another pair. On both sides of the glove, you guys have this little compartment right here where you guys can actually make it tighter, so you guys won't actually get any snow inside the glove. So you guys got this compartment here and you guys got this compartment here, so it's like a double protection from snow getting inside. So that's very nice. The material overall feels very nice as well. You guys can definitely feel like it's a waterproof, water resistant material. The thing about this glove compared to the other one that I tested last time is the fact that this one is actually not touchscreen, so you guys can actually not touch your phone on this. So if you guys want to use your phone, you guys actually have to remove your glove to actually use it. And the last thing about this glove, which is probably the coolest thing that I actually did not notice until later on, is the fact that underneath the glove right here, there's actually a zipper where you can actually put stuff inside. And inside the zipper is actually quite big, so you guys can actually put stuff inside. So you guys can put your credit cards or put anything in here that will fit. Like it literally fits right here to this little spot right here. Your phone will probably not fit in here because it's actually quite too small for it to fit your phone. So that's everything in the glove. Let me actually put it on now to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's what the glove looks like when you guys put it on. Very nice kind of material. You get a very nice like impact protection overall. I literally put this for less than 5 seconds there, and it's already actually feeling really warm, which is really nice. Comfort is definitely there. If you want to tighten up, all you just pull it up and it'll tighten that part. If you guys can see, it's tightened right there. Same thing for the other side, just need to pull it and it'll tighten up that part. And if it's not tight enough, you guys can actually make this tighter right here. And then same thing for the other side, and you guys will have full on snow protection, and you guys can just go about your day and go snowboarding, skiing, whatever the case may be, play with snow, whatever. So now to really show you guys the test and what's on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for this product in particular, I actually got it from Wish. And I was actually really surprised because for this product in particular, with shipping included, it cost around $14. And I was actually kind of shocked of how cheap this product is, and for the quality of this product, it was kind of shocking to me. Especially since the fact for this product, it took around like a month, or less than a month actually. It took less than a month for the product to come. Compared to if you guys buy it from Amazon, you guys can probably get it within a week or less. So if you guys are willing to wait within that time frame to actually wait for the glove to come for a cheaper value, then I would highly recommend getting on Wish. But if you guys want it quickly, then you guys can get a snowboarding glove from Amazon. But regardless, both of them would be a really good choice. And you guys would have to get a snowboarding glove, not regular gloves. So don't do what I did and got like a regular glove and then use it for snowboarding and skiing, because it did not protect my hand, it was not waterproof or water resistant, and it actually did not protect snow from getting in my arm. Compared to this, it will actually protect me from getting snow inside, which is really nice and exactly what I want from a product. So pretty much long story short, what I'm trying to say is that it is worth it regardless of the price. Spend a little bit more money to get an actual snowboarding glove instead of getting like a regular glove, because it's not a good option, especially for people who go snowboarding and skiing a lot. And especially for people who fall a lot, like I mentioned in my old videos, that is actually really nice and really handy to have one of these products. But other than that, that's pretty much just for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have